Welcome in, family. Happy Monday. Didn't know our mic was muted, but everybody welcome in. Work, Mohammed, Danny, Pat. Good morning, kings and queens. Let's get it. Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. Hope everybody had a good spooky little season. We got a private little guest today. Little featured guest. Living on my forehead. No, hope everybody's feeling awesome. We have a big day ahead of us, big week ahead of us. Nothing but opportunities. Let's get it, family. Had to send that out, but now we dialed. Bruce, good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. Good morning, newbie, Mad Max. Good morning, Shadows. Be patient, disciplined. Wait for your setups. Let's go, Pat. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. Enjoyed the spooky season. And now we're getting ready to have the fun. The fun with the NASDAQ or gold. You know, whoever. I am going to take this line off. This was our line from last week. We have to be dialed in, guys. Okay? I talked to Topstep. I talked to them. Apparently, I shouldn't have been able to allow or reset these 5 accounts. So these are essentially our last attempts with 5 accounts to do the thing. So I'm going to slow it down, I think. Just try to do what we got to do. Crazy crash. Oh, you talking about Dow still? We running the giveaway today? Yes, sir, Mo. We running that up today, my dude. We should have had it yesterday. It was wild. Or on Friday. The way that went out was hilarious. Crazy crash. Good morning, Pete. Saucy, there he is. Our moderator, one of them. Now we got Pat too. Told you, laugh my ass off. Good morning, newbie. What'd you tell me? What'd you tell me, Queen? What did you tell me, Queen? Gold. Let's take a quick look at this. Kind of going sideways since this breakout. I'll pull up an hourly chart real quick. I like to just see the levels on an hour. This feels like a big breakdown here. A big bear flag, but I'd be surprised to see us not actually hold. It just feels like we're gonna, this right here feels very breaky, like we want to break to the downside. But same thing, I guess, as long as if we stay below these 38s, 40s, if we stay below the 40s in gold, essentially below that 4,040s, I'm kind of bearish on it. A little bit slightly in a way, just a touch. NASDAQ getting some print off of the opening print candles here. Gold finding some selling into the VWAP. Let's see what we got here, family. Hope everybody's feeling 10 out of 10. Top of the news. Did they say they're pay you all 5? Yeah, newbie. I called them and I was like, hey, look. So I saw the email. Y'all said I couldn't, but I did. I bought 5. If I activate these, let's just say hypothetically I get a payout or I get XFA and then I activate them, will I be able to have the profits essentially? And she said on the phone, I have the recording. She said yes. So now we have one more big old attempt at it. Yo, Kevin, good morning, King. Just saw you. Sorry for the delay. We were nearing a large supply zone with sellers around the 50s. If we hold the longs are in, pre-market already tapped into that zone. Looks like we are pushing now. It does look like we're pushing, Pat. We have this news data wick that we're starting to wick out. I'm not going to be super bullish yet. I don't think we're going to just turn around off this print and just go one-sided. So I'm going to be a little bit patient. Maybe previous day high feels a little bit like a spot we could find a sell at, honestly. Just to be honest, I'm actually going to put one in there, I think, maybe. Possibly just for one contract up to PDH. Possibly just for one contract. We have to be a little bit slow. We have to slow everything down, family. Morning, family. Welcome in, Daiquiri. Good morning, King. Hope you had a great weekend. Check text again, Ty. What'd you say, King? 59.11. No way. We are nearing a large supply zone with sellers around the 50s. If we hold long above longs are in, pre-market already tapped that zone. You slip through the cracks like my friend. Yeah, but this is our final attempt, newbie. And that's why I gave them. Why I gave them a call when you said that. Is that I did not want to go through that. of getting. I was just gonna ask for my refund immediately. Then I wasn't gonna pay for the activation and then have them say, "Oh, sorry, but you can't do that." Wow, we get diddied on our entry up here. Looking for a short at previous day high at the 69s. Market turning at the 66s. Already down into the 30s right here. Opening print candles, the one that brought us up there. I still think I'm a little bit. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Good morning. Let's get paid. Yes, sir, Bruce. Saying last week was break even for me. Did back testing over the weekend, and data says I'm hesitating or not re-entering when setup is A+. All right, Pass, you know what we do about that, right, King? You just take trades. Lower size if you have to. If that's what your fear is you don't want to lose money. But if you see a trade, King, you got to take it. That's the only way we can get better here. Smash that like button, folks. The streaming channel has been popping lately. Let's keep it rolling. Saucy, you're the man. I appreciate every single person that's been here supporting, showing love. We're just smashing milestones. We just got 1,000 subs. It feels amazing. The family's growing. We're gonna do the giveaway today. We were gonna do Friday before it was my whole power shut off, flickered back on. I was like, oh, and then shut off again, flickered back on, and then just completely off. It was off for like an hour. That's insane that I said 811. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. Looking for shorts up here too. Let's go, Jared. Looks like we just got missed by 3 points, but that is what I'm looking for. Gold starting to respect the VWAP. See what happens there. Hey, at least you can pass these accounts and possibly get paid. Be super disciplined and make sure you pass these, bro. You got this. Let's go, Pat. I appreciate that, King. Our final attempts, family. I really hope you get 5 max payouts on these. How crazy would that be? How crazy would it be, family? We take these motherfuckers to live. Absolutely, I will not hesitate. Scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money, King. Get in there. How about a whole week? Only way to get better is to take attempts. How wild of a comeback story would it be? Topstep sends me the email. We purchase one more set of accounts. They're like, hey, you shouldn't have done that. And then we bring these hoes to live account. What a comeback story. Let's see if we can do it, you know? The odds are slim, but let's see. Let's just do it. Really, though, I hope everybody had a fantastic Halloween. Filled with lots of scares and laughter. Lots of love. Opening this, what feels like a data candle. It doesn't seem that it was a data candle because I don't see any news here. But this feels like a data candle at 9 a.m. here. Was it a data candle? Am I missing something? Am I sleeping? All right. Not really, huh? Not really, huh? Don't call it a comeback. Has been here for years. Let's go, Sobs. Welcome in, King. Hope you had a great Halloween with your daughter. Shoddy at 21. Short at the 21s. I love it, Danny. Nice little short there. Nice trade. I just got dick teased on our entry at the 69s. Sellers load on that supply. Let's see if we react coming down. We already got below opening print candle. Starting to find a little bit more direction. I think if we got to push back up in around... like a villager. Still finding some more selling into the 200 whole number here. Let's see if the buyers can hold this 200. Otherwise, we might be pushing towards the VWAP at the 150s here. Scariest thing this Halloween was blowing one of my accounts, but I'm back on a fun to laugh my ass off. Let's go, Bruce. What a little spook, huh? Little boo. I'm short now, break even. Let's see if we can hit TP or break even. I love it, Amy. Good trading, good risk management. I'm looking to find a short on NASDAQ as well. When and where, to be determined. Opening print candle was up at the 36s. Got to push, breaking through now. Why we miss our fill already? Why we already missing our fill? It's crazy work. Already missing fills. I definitely won that giveaway Friday. Max, you were a contender. I can't wait to do that again at the end of the episode. Went to this crazy Halloween party. Got a date later and a little bit excited. A little excited, Pat. Let's go, King. Go get that queen. I love it, bud. Hope you had a good time. Got my 50 points. Let's go, Jared. Nice short. Way to get in there. I hesitated. Missed my fill, so now I'm just trying to be patient. Get a better fill. Pat, let's go, King. You deserve that. Absolutely. Did we hit 175 NASDAQs? We just hit 176.50. 175.75. Just outside of it right now. Just outside of it, I mean. Pat, you got a date, which means you have to print. Yeah. Show up. We blew through the small demand at the 195. Let's see the reaction at the 150s. Yeah, we broke through the 200s there. Bottom of that candle was the 190s. I want to see the next reaction at this EMA. Maybe a pull back in towards this range at like the 229s. Maybe like the 220s. Find a short. We'll see what happens. She's Patty. Let's go, Pat. I love it, King. More than deserved. Wouldn't expect anything less. You're Elijah. Good morning, King. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. We are going to be doing the giveaway again, family. I'm actually also, guys, I'm kind of glad. Not glad the way that happened, but the way that the stream was ending last time, we had like 6 people join and like subscribe and like. And then when the power went out, like 6 people unfollowed. So I'm glad one of those homies didn't win the giveaway. I want it to be somebody in the family that's been here. Show here some demo profits. Oh, I'm a trader and you're showing her combine profits. It's coming saucy, means a lot. TP hit, let's go, Amy. Nice trading. We're finding some selling into the NASDAQ right now. Gold's trying to hold the VWAP. Or is it actually? Looks like we did break below it. No, we didn't. Okay, cool. Yep, gold's trying to defend and hold it. NASDAQ. I feel like we want to trade into it at least at the 50s here, but we'll see what happens. Still finding some suppression, bigger selling, not even able to get up into the EMA right now. Let's just be patient, family. Let's just be patient. I know you wanted to wait for me. That was it, Matrix. I was like, I can't do this without Matrix in here. I just can't do it. Show her my practice account is up 25K. That 150K combine balance. Just be like, hey, look at me. Just look at me, girl. And then, like, when the check comes, just kind of slide it to her. Good morning, Danny. Let's go, user. Let's go. Aiming for the VWAP if she wants to go. I think she does, Danny. I think it's a very good exit. A little 152 exit there. I think it is pretty clean, Queen. Put your break even on somewhere up and around. Oh, you said the 21s, so yeah, I think you're in a really safe spot to see the 52s here. Good trading. Good start to the week, family. Let's fucking go, baby. Slow and consistent. I like 50s too. 30s, 50s for a turnaround. I like the 50s too. 30s, 50s for a turnaround. I like that. Yeah, 30s would be kind of wild. Below this little range here. We didn't even tap into previous day high. Found a big rejection at the previous day high, actually. Actually, I want to take a quick gander at the hourly chart with that setup to see what we're looking at here. Look at that, family. This is an hourly chart. Trying to get up in around these 629s. You can see the resistance. Sold off previously. Pushed back down towards this bottom. Found the buyers to get back up, and now we just had a ginormous wick. Let's see the reaction in around the 130s. I like what you're saying, Jared. Look at this 130s on the hourly chart. Really nice little level that we could find a long off of. Really nice little level here that we could find a long off of. Matter of fact, I'm actually going to put an order in here for both sides. See what happens. Trade in the zone. Trade in the zone. Auto zone. I wouldn't mind the 130s, 137 here to look like it could give us a little reaction for the longs. See how it goes. Danny, how was J weekend? No way. No way. Is that Dutch? I love it, Sauce. Waiting on the 50s turnaround, but let's see the reaction. Little bounce at the VWAP. Give Danny her fill, and then maybe come in a little touch of room to the biscuits at the 37. Only one contract. Being cautious here. Now NASDAQ in the 160s to the 140 zone. Must see buyers' reaction here. 160 to the 140 zone. I like that, I mean. So if we break below into the 37s, is that invalidating it for you? I like this as an entry, possibly. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I guess I wouldn't really want to see it get below VWAP too much there. VWAP could be an entry as well. I closed the gold trade, by the way. You got out of it, King? Did you just not like the print action? Feels like this week will be slow. That's fair. It's very fair, King. It is. I mean, 180s, we're still, we have dreams, but dreams don't have to be achieved in a day. You know what I'm saying, baby? We don't got to do it all in one day, so that's how you find longevity. That's how you find consistency, baby. Just getting in, finding your trades, and then when it's invalidated, getting out. He saw CJ word dong. I'm not gonna butcher your guys' ears by trying to do it again. Feels like this week will be slow, but my weekend was okay-ish. My cat has cancer, so it's been mostly cleaning up after him and getting a lot of cuddles in before he dies. Sorry, Danny. Wishing him and you the best, Queen. It's always something difficult to deal with, but sadly it's a part of the game, of this life thing. You're providing a great space for him, so I'm sure he's very grateful. If break 40, we see more sellers that use that because buyers must close their trades. I see the mindset. I don't know if it necessarily fully agree that it forces people to close, but I understand the logic, and it's not completely inaccurate either. I mean, I like that, King. Made 14K though. Oh, that's it. Let's fucking go, Max. Good trading, King. I was gonna say gold opened up in a range this week. Let's see what happens. Absolutely, Bruce. Very lucky to have Danny. All right, NASDAQ starting to find slight support at the VWAP. Looks like it's not even getting a fill. Pushing back into the EMA here. I kind of don't like this buy order the more I look at it. I mean, I like it on the hourly chart, but looking at it here on this 1 minute, I'm not loving it. We've just avoided the VWAP, starting to get into the EMA. If we got a suppression through, I think it could keep breaking down. We'll be patient. We'll be patient. I cannot wait for Thanksgiving, family. We're already getting close, like 3 weeks away from just a big old plate of deliciousness with loved ones all around. God. Oh, I'm sorry, Danny. We went through something similar for my girlfriend when she was pregnant, and it was hard. I only knew that cat for 6 months, but it killed me. Best wishes your way. Let's go. Absolute best wishes. It's been a couple rough weeks, but grateful for the 11 years we got together. Absolutely. It's all we can do, family. Just celebrate the moments we get. The hard things is, did you take that trade if you know that could happen? The hard thing is, did you take that trade if you know that could happen? That's it. I mean, that's the hard part, Bubba. It's a mental thing. It's a mental thing. It's a mental thing. Always. This game is all mental, family. 99% mental. Look at the hold at VWAP here at the 14s, pushing back into the 30s now. Excuse me. NASDAQ still kind of slightly holding this VWAP price, stuck below the EMA and the VWAP right now. Oh, he's my little soulmate. I love that. I love that, Danny. He's adorable, by the way. I've seen a couple pictures on your Instagram. An absolute cutie. 170s holding into the 80s is this EMA. Above that could be interesting. Let's get our box drawn out, family. Our first 15-minute range here. Just be aligned with the market. See what we get for trouble. This is our range, our first 15-minute range just now. What type of trouble are we looking at here anyway, NASDAQ, huh? Looks like it wants to, we're still just going sideways right now at the VWAP. Kind of going sideways, pushing back up into the 50% could be interesting into 200s. Find some short there, pushing continue through the VWAP could be nice as well. Gold pushing up and above, holding. So, yeah. We're getting some diverged markets. Everything's flowing. It's a Monday. Vibes are high. Let's fucking go, family. I've had my pet beta fish for 6 months, and he's having problems swimming. Chat, I don't know what to do. Having problems swimming. I don't know, Bruce. I've never had a fish. So I'm not sure. Okay, maybe clean the bowl, feed. I don't know, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Maybe the water's a little chilly. They're so delicate. Netherlands, Lerden. I don't like any trades right now. Me neither, Maxi. That's why I'm just kind of waiting and watching. Just kind of waiting and watching. Matt, let's go. Good morning, King. Welcome in here. Let's go. That's my boss. Jared says nice support here. On the VWAP, it's seeming like it's trying to. I'm going to be a little bit more patient, but I am liking the reaction here so far. See if we can hold this. Maybe we can push back up. I'm still overall pretty bearish, though, so I'm not really looking for any longs at the moment. Maybe if a little bit more information comes in. I will wait for the top of the hour news. Let's go, Max. Great advice. Most of us probably can follow. Not a lot going on right now. No reason to force any trades, family. Is there news? I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, we have more news of the manufacturing here at 10. Here we go, below the VWAP now. We were looking for a possible fill at the 34s, but I don't love it as much, so I took it off. Swim bladder. Swim bladder, that could be it too, I guess. Eli, are you, unless you're trolling. News at 10, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Just caught a long scalp. I'm out early, wasn't reacting well. I like that, Pat. Way to play your rules. Get in, don't be afraid to get in, but if it's bad, put your break even on, get out, King. Good trading. The gold's still moving up, though. Yeah, it is, King. Finding that support at the VWAP, pushing back up here. Still below this overnight range. Not below previous day high, but I know gold doesn't really deliver like that. Not in the same way, at least. Personally, I kind of want to try to find a long on gold, but... Jeez, keep choking on air over here. Can't do it yet. Got to be patient. Here's the selling on NASDAQ continuing. Like I said, because we avoided the VWAP here and was getting suppressed at the bottom of the range, I was hesitant to take a long because it felt like as if we did get through, it was going to be a little bit heavier. EMA is trying to curl and react off of it now. Gold's still pushing up here. Let's be patient. Find a good entry, family. Been shitting Reese's since Friday. Sobs, you're killing me. Oh shit, that's hilarious, dude. Absolutely, tummy full of candy, nowhere else for it to go. Sauce, that sense doesn't make any sense. LOL. It's hilarious, Max. It's hilarious. Sellers are strong, bars are in. Wonder how much downside we've got. First intention, Pat, maybe overnight low at these 26,000 whole number. Maybe previous day low in around these 580, something like that. We rejected previous day high. Getting below the VWAP now, below the 15-minute range. I'm going to wait for one more attempt from the buyers to try to get up and around here. And if we get rejection one more time, I'm looking for the join in the downside. May go long here in a sec. Looking at volume. Looking at volume, huh? Nice sell volume candle that we just got to push through the range. Buyers did hold it, though. But I don't think this is enough volume yet for me to be convinced that it was an absorption volume yet, Jared. But we'll see. Let's be patient here, King. But if it's in your setup, definitely don't hesitate. I meant to say I was treating with a translator, but it's still fun. Cheating, not treating. AI make me have conversation in language I don't know. We'll love to see the 26,000. Yeah, that Dana, that'd be a fat little move. Oh, I need translator to help me with language I do not know. What did it technically say then, Maxi? All right, family. VWAP. Price is trying to push back in here now. Big sell volume pushing through the WAP. Buyers trying to defend it. I want to be a little bit patient before trying to join these shorts, but this would be my first idea of an entry here. This would be my first idea of an entry here. Got to be a little bit patient though. Even though I want it, but we gotta do this correctly. I got one big old attempt here. I trap wrong with an even translator. That's fucking I love it, Max. This is why the AI will take over the world. It let me talk to people I don't know language. All right, I don't know why I'm doing that accent. That's my fault. Yo, there's 40 beautiful people watching this stream. If y'all have not yet, drop the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Join this family. We're off to the races, only getting better as a community. And it feels fucking amazing. That's how it feels, you know? NASDAQ trying to defend this VWAP at the 150s here. Buyers officially giving a little bit of an attempt. See if they can do anything special. Sellers obviously in control already, defending previous day high in this data wick, even though it didn't get a data print there, but it totally looks and feels like a data wick. Gotta follow rules. Absolutely, Pat. That's the only way. Pablo, he's back. Let's go, King. Happy Monday. Hope you're feeling well, buddy. Hope the weekend, the holiday was good with the woman. Drops a likes, team. Let's help Ty pass these accounts. Come on, Pat. Let's go, baby. Good morning, Pobby. Waiting on news here in about 5 minutes. Gonna get an little injection of volatility. Let's see what happens. Gold just defending VWAP, printing to the upside. NASDAQ defending previous day high, selling into the VWAP. Lots of opportunity, lots of things to be patient on. Let's see what we can do here. No, I don't think news will be anything major either, but I just want to let the injection come in. Let the injection of volatility come in, kind of print out, complete this little market chart, complete our little morning graph, and then we can get an idea where we want to go. You know what I'm saying? Kind of let the news come in, give us a little bit more information, hold levels, disrespect levels, whatever it wants to do. Give us a little bit more of an idea of what we should be looking for. Into the 130s, nothing but selling since opening print candle, essentially. A couple bullish candles into this data wick, previous day high, and then just the selling. Of course, we just missed by 3 points. So, yeah, that feels a little bit no bueno. It feels a little bit no bueno, but it is okay. Ty and I should do a stream together sometime. Max, that would be a wild vibe. And we should absolutely get that done sooner than later, King. I would with that. Hop on here in the morning. Oh, dude, that would be so spicy. Let's actually let's figure that out, Max. I don't know. I'm not sure how to have. I'd have to just look it up. I have to figure it out. I know other people do it. I know Topstep does it too, where you can like join in from a stream or like. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know exactly how we'll do it, Maxie, but I'll figure it out, King. That'd be cool. You guys would be great content. Let's go, Pat. Got out too soon on gold. Hey, that's all right, King. You had to be protecting that balance. You did. If we start pushing through this overnight high and then previous day high, it's gonna feel a little bad. But hey, King, we're not paid to be right just to make more than we lose. So if you're stopping your losses, there's nothing wrong with that. Hell yeah, dude! I believe I'll be on some future streams as well. Of course, Saucy. Like Topstep, yeah, exactly like Topstep. How they have you like. Other people can join in and then also show their screen, but it's like all selected through one dashboard, it seems like. I'm not fully sure. YM went off the cliff. Eli, they're finding some sellers, huh? NASDAQ's finding some sellers too, getting below this VWAP. Could be interesting. Then Max can make us all rich. Yes, ma'am. Give us the secrets, maximum. I need to maximize. Can you stream a Zoom call? I don't know. Sauce. We're going to have to figure it out. Join a Discord channel together. Have him share his screen, then add it to your OBS. Seems pretty simple. Is that what Topstep does too, Saab? Just through Discord? They're having a Discord channel, and then that's how the Topstep Live or TV does it? I did not know that. We are ranging 50s to 20s. I wouldn't say we're ranging too hard, yeah. I mean, there is a little range here, yeah, below the VWAP, but I'd say we're just kind of consolidating, waiting for after the breakout, right? So we had a nice move. Now we're consolidating below our level, and then from there we're going to get another breakout move. When and where? I don't know, but I wouldn't say we're ranging too much yet. It's only been a couple minutes, but I like it, Pat. We'll see what happens. Hey, Tyler, not able to make chat since stream has started because of some issues, and now I fixed this, and I'm back into the paradise. Let's go, Abby. Wouldn't want it any other way, King. Welcome home. Let's do it, bub. Let's make some money. Let's make all the monies. Yeah, they use Discord screen sharing, and then they just mirror it to their streaming software, I'm pretty sure. W-Sobs, we're going to give that a go, because I did not know that. But that's fire, because that means I can get a bunch of y'all on here. How cool would that be? Every Monday, different family members hopping on, streaming, trading with us. We win, we lose. Just getting better together. I think that'd be fucking awesome, actually. Now let's see if sellers can hold that zone or buyers break it. We did get in below those 40s that you were talking about, Amy. EMA has curled through the VWAP. We're through the bottom of the 50-minute range. Only selling so far. Still got to find some patience here, family. Nothing to jump into. It's only Monday. So much opportunity left for the week. Our job is to just make more than we lose. Not to get too wild. Not to get too crazy. Little celeb segment. Little. Yeah, dude. Little celeb segment. Do it weekly. Maybe a couple times a week. Get the family in here. Just trade in the morning together. Here we go with the news injection, family. Let's see what we get here. Still a decent amount of selling volume in that we haven't been able to break above, but the volume's died since then, but it could be waiting for news. Let's see the reaction here now. Gold took the injection and is very bullish. Damn, Max. Shit, huh, King? Gold took the bullish news. NASDAQ absolutely sideways off the ISM manufacturing. Still compressed below VWAP and the EMA right now. I'm with you, Ty. I'm not seeing any promise to the upside. I just don't see much more of a downside. If you sell, what's your target? If I was going to sell, it would probably be the 26,000 whole numbers. Targeting this overnight low and this little tiny opening week gap. Wait, did anyone else notice? Family. Is this a little gap? Look at this. Friday to Sunday, baby. Opening week gap. So this would be my target, fam. That's a definitely new level I just noticed. Below the 600s. Into the 600s would be closing that gap. So definitely my target, I think, Jared. We'll see what happens, King. That'd be so cool. Danny, you'd be on here. We should do that. I'm actually going to start. I'm going to figure that out for us next week, family. Figure out a way to maybe Discord. I think Saab's idea is pretty stellar right there. A little celeb segment. So then, yeah, maybe we'll get the Discord going. Y'all can join in. And then once a day or a couple times a week, we'll have someone hop on in the morning with me for the hour and a half. We'll have a conversation. We'll be streaming together, doing the thing. I'm up 7:30 so far on my account in total, just taking it slow, trading gold at 3 a.m. Hey, Bobby, those late Asia sessions, King. Dangerous, but I love it. Way to be up, way to be profitable. Hopefully you're being disciplined, you know. You got this shit, King. Good start to the week. Let's keep that momentum. I'm crying, only a little. I closed out at 23. Not too bad yet. Not too bad yet, King, but I understand. I understand that right now if this keeps printing, it could provide a little bit of pain for you, but it's all right, bub. We're not paid to be right every time. And if we are going to deliver to the 180s, you're going to find another chance to get a good fill. So it's way the fuck up in the north. 180 is way up here. Way up here. Where's the 180s? Look at that. So lots of opportunities, Maxi. Let's see what we can do, NASDAQ. Still finding some selling. Really nothing going on. If you're not too familiar with Discord, Ty, feel free to hit me up. Hey, I definitely will then, King. Definitely will, because yeah, I'm not super versed with it. I use it a little bit with like my buddies when we're like gaming and shit, but yeah, we'll have to figure it out. I think that'd be epic. Get all of y'all on here eventually, one at a time, and then maybe even like a little group thing. I don't know. We could figure it out. Whatever becomes great for us, or whatever feels useful. I think too many traders could be a little distracting for people. I want us to still have a focus on trading and getting better at that. So I don't want it to be too distracting. But yeah, I love it, family. Absolutely something we're going to work to get done. A little trading community, get you guys on here together. Oh man, that's getting me excited. That's gonna be such a vibe. I would definitely join Discord. Absolutely, Bruce. It's not gonna be paid. It's gonna be completely free. So hopefully get in there. Start sharing our ideas. Well, you know my target, if you've been looking at this whole past week, we know the target, King, and we're going to find a way to get it there. Whenever we get there, you're going to be a part of it. That's my confidence. I don't know when we get there, but when we do, you're going to be a part of it. NASDAQ still just slowly selling off. Opening print candle brought us up into the 268s pretty much. Defended this overnight previous day high. And now we're selling into the 100s. So about 160 points of a sell-off so far. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. Nothing too crazy. NASDAQ, I mean, gold just defended the VWAP and pressed higher. This is the coolest little place of the YouTubes. Couldn't be any cooler, could it, Danny? Let's go, Queen. It's because of y'all. Y'all make it so special. Y'all make it so special. Make it easy to show up every day. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. I'm feeling so much FOMO right now. Maxie, you got this, King. Deep breaths. You ain't missing nothing. Look, 15 points so far from your exit, and dude, another 150 points to where your target. You got this shit. If it wasn't meant to be, it wasn't meant to be, King. Something about you told you to get out, so trust that. Let it play out, but I'm not gonna do it on a Monday. That's it, baby. That's it. Would be up 40K or something. I understand. That hurts the feelings a little bit, King, but that's how close you are to 40K at all moments. Every single moment, guys. Every trade can change your life. Every day can change your life. Just keep showing up. Be consistent. Was in with 3 minis is insanity, Max. Absolutely godsend. Absolute godsend, my dude. Really good trading either way. That's what I'm saying, family. Every chance we can make more money. Every move almost. You know, you can always find more. Every day there seems like we can make the chances. But the fact is we get to show up with the opportunity to change our lives every day. So blessed. So blessed. Even when the charts are misbehaving and just flying to stops and disrespecting levels. Still grateful to be here. Just go long 5 minis, Max. Make that 40K. Pablo knows he's fighting those demon thoughts every day. He just wants the full port, and I understand. Did we sign up for the hardest job to make the easiest money? Yeah. We signed it up. We signed up, Wani. We put our name on the dotted line and everything, and dated it. You know what I mean? I even dated that motherfucker, so we're in there. It's the hardest job, hardest little gig to make the easiest cash. And I wouldn't have it any other way. Let's go. I pass evaluations with 5 minis. I make sure my setup is spot on and I'm following every one of my rules and works out most of the time. I love it, Caesar. That's what I did for a while too, King. I will say though, just be cautious because taking combines with full leverage typically means you can blow them quickly and then Topstep can be on your ass, which I didn't even know they're doing a thing because I'm still so frustrated about it. We're following all their guidelines and then they still set new ones, so just be cautious because they might give you the old boot like they gave me, Caesar. And then we can all protest, show up and protest. Wish I had the balls to hold my tray from the top. Yeah, I mean, ideally, King, right? Hindsight, but also, we never know. We don't know. If you got out anywhere around like VWAP, it's a pretty safe exit. That's where I would have been targeting. And then from there, King, you just got to be happy with what you got. Sometimes the market keeps printing and we can't predict everything. The only downside target for ES is the 6800s. I like the 26,000 whole number on the NASDAQ. We have a little opening week gap down here and overnight low and the 26,000 whole number. So there's 3 reasons I think we could come see that price. That was nice, dude. Absolutely, Abby. Caught a nice 20-point short. Just closed out. Let's go, Daiquiri. Good trading, King. Snipes, scalps, get in, get out. Lock the profit in. Good start to the week right there, King. Man, for real, I be fighting demons in my sleep, LOL. Those intrusive thoughts to just full port the NASDAQ. They get me too, Bobby. You're not alone, King. Accidentally sold 15 NQ and made 1,500. Damn, Farouk. Careful, King. That's some leverage, my boy. That is some leverage. Be cautious. Appreciate all the comments in here, especially the negative ones. It fuels for the fire. You can't beat me and I'll never lose. Keep it coming. Who's giving you negative comments, Pat? Absolutely not. Not here, King. We ride with you. We ride or die with you, King. There's nothing but love here. What is the new guidelines? They don't specify them, Caesar. That's the problem, King. They give you the rules that you get, and then if you're blowing counts too quickly, they don't like that. They're like, hey, you seem to have some money, and you seem to be trying this to play too aggressively here, and I'm afraid that you're going to be profitable, so I'm actually going to limit you, and you can only trade 1 account now for the next 6 months, and it's going to... No. 15 NQ, I would be shitting all the colors. Just straight rainbow stomach. Rainbow stomach on a 15 NQ. Oh, man. I would love to be getting some leverage like that. Imagine like 15 on gold. Imagine on 150 account, 15 on gold. Holy shit. Really freaky stuff. Yes, sir, Wani. Our man, Juan. W1. One of the first chatters to ever join the community. Still means the most, dude. Still means absolutely the most. Shitting colors like I ate colored goldfish. Like my favorite snack is crayons. I was trying to do MNQ. Oh, I get you, Farouk. That's an honest mistake there, King. Hey, Pat is a ma. Let's go. Yes, sir. More than deserved for that man, Pat. Always in here. Always in here, showing nothing but love. Showing nothing but positivity. Letting everybody just get nothing but. He's just always here trying to show insight, share value, even when things are going against him. He's just in here putting vibes out. Man deserves it. Just putting that out there for there. I got nothing but love for everyone. We love it. We know, Pat. You can defend that, though, King. Stand on business. I stand on business. I ain't taking no shit. Long from the 93. Okay, Matrix. How do you bottom tick every time, King? Good entry. No, how do you bottom tick every time? Put that break even on and ride that puppy. Good entry. Reversal coming on NQ. Matrix seems to think so too. Me personally, I don't think so, family. I think we could get a pullback, but I don't think we're reversing. I think we're going to pull back maybe into the VWAP, maybe in towards like these 160s or 150s or something. Like maybe the bottom of the range and then some more selling. I'm still a little bit bearish right now. Sellers done? I don't think so. All three of y'all, huh? The family seems to think so, but I'm thinking it's just a little bit of a pullback. We'll see what happens. We love the positivity too, Tyler. Absolutely, Farouk. It's all I know, King. The real fun is the 15 cons with ZB. $468 per tick. Dude, give me one tick with 15 contracts. One tick. Oh, but my God, you get the one tick against you. It's literally, that's just a gamble. Just straight up putting fucking, what is that? 500 times 15, so $7,500 per tick. And you're just like praying to get a tick your way. Praying to get a tick your way. 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, King. Beautiful little snipe, Matrix. I like that 193 entry. I was looking at the 1 hour too for the pullback into this EMA. And we're starting to try to defend it here. But look at this hourly candle. The rejection here on this that's such a gross candle. It really is. We're pulling up to that previous day high, having a big rejection after defending the 26,000 whole number overnight, pushing up into the 200s and getting defense. And look at this little gap on the hourly. It's actually showing it. So I guess that could be our target here, family. But I don't know. I don't know shit. I know that I don't know, so we just sit here and watch. NASDAQ pulling back into the VWAP. Let's see what happens here, family. Try it, Ty. I'm short on 5 E-minis. Bro, what is your regular day in the life as a day trader? I'll be talking to me. I enter based on the one FEG sweep. I love it. TP hit. Let's go, Matrix. Good little entry off those 193s, bud. I love that shit, King. Gonna hold this. I'm short ES 5 minis. Gonna hold this. Max is short on the ES, looking for the 6800s. I love it. Good luck, King. Anybody else, use that information as you will. It just went down and touched the 5-day VWAP, man. I missed that. It just went down to touch the 5-day VWAP. Was that the 91s? I'm not convinced the selling's over yet, Jared, but let's just see what happens here. Last week I went in with 5 minis on gold, and I want to be on MGC. It was over before I could blink. It sucked, LOL. Yeah, that's shitty, Danny. Could have been over before you blinked on a good way, but it wasn't. And that's the game. No worries. We bounce back, and guess what? Someday it's gonna go the right way. That's the thing about trading. It can't always. You just can't be wrong every time. Smash that like button if you haven't, folks. Saucy keeping the likes up. If y'all have not yet, put the thumbs up, family. Last week we had a goal of 40 and we're gonna hit our giveaway, and then we were at like 30, like we were like 34 or 35, and then it flew up to 40. We got like 4 or 5 subs and then 4 or 5 likes, and then when the power went out, everybody, those same 5 people, unsubbed, unliked. So we definitely don't want those people in here. We want just the family members. www Matrix, let's go, baby. Man, your music playlist is insane. Can you tell where you can find this? It's on YouTube, King. It's on YouTube, Bobby. It's oh, look at the defense here at the VWAP, family. Look at the defense here at the VWAP. It's on YouTube, and it's lo-fi music, bub. I'm long on gold, looking for the 40-46s. Let's see it, Mark. I mean, Bruce. 46s, huh? I hope this EMA defends for you. My only fear is that we did sweep above this previous day high, but I like gold to just hold this range here, King. Good luck. Gold might be about to give an entry for longs or short, newbie. But Abby, I just want to answer that question you asked real fast. Short MNQ 126, small size, give it a whirl. Short 126 in the NASDAQ with a MNQ. We are defending this VWAP again, so I'm overall looking to the downside here, family. We did just tap into exactly where I wanted to see, actually, which is the bottom of the 50-minute range. Still finding some more selling now. Sobs, I should be poking the MNQ, but I'm going to be patient. I'd be in long, but I'm completely missed the entry. What makes you think there's more selling? You might have already stated why. I just missed it. Sorry if that's the case. No, you're good, brother. Yeah, there's 3 reasons. We have an opening week gap down here. So I guess a lot of people didn't notice this at the 26,000s. Also, the 26,000 itself. So there's 2 big levels I think we could get there. And then obviously right above that is the overnight low at the 26,019. So if we had found some selling to come take out this overnight low, come close this gap and that 26,000, there's a couple of reasons I think we could find them print towards that price, Jared. Enter short NQ again at the 123s. Let's fucking go, Matrix. This chart is yours, bud. Good trading, King. Short 20s. Both of y'all found that. I love it. Both of y'all found that short. I love it. See if we can get through the bottom of this range here. Attempted to get through the bottom of the 15. Defended the VWAP. Sellers are still in control right now. Here we go. Printing into the 80s. Y'all are in. Let's go. Waiting for a pullback to the 430 to try my hand unless NQ pulls back for me to get my short first. I love that, newbie. Really good trading analysis. To the 430s to get your entry. Let's see what happens there, Queen. I'm looking to maybe find some shorting on NASDAQ. I'm really upset we missed that one more better candle here. Not really. It delivered perfectly fine. I just did not have a sell order there, honestly. So that's on me, but I'm glad Matrix and Danny caught that one. VWAP looked like a second entry short. It sure did, Pat. Would love to see us go to the MA 200 on 5-minute and tank. What is that 200 moving average on the 5 sobs? What price is that? Up 18,000. Let's go, Maxi. Come on, baby. Deliver to that 6,800 for the mans. Stop break even. 24K unrealized. Unreal. Let's go, Max. Fucking huge trading, King. I love to hear it. That is the opportunity and potential we have every day, family. Looking for 26,016's overnight lows. Yes, I like that as a target for sure. 26,000 whole number, opening week gap, close. Couple things down there that we could be targeting sobs. Then I'm taking my daughter to lunch, so let's go, fam. Let's go, baby. Come on. Deliver down there for the king. Straight dump. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Ty, do you like South Park? I think it's fucking hilarious, Pablo. I don't spend a lot of time watching it. It's also like, I just don't have a lot of time on my hands for like TV and leisure things. But it is funny when I watch it. I don't typically watch it, though. I'm out. Maxi! Come on, baby. Locking in the monies. TP hit. Let's go, Matrix. Everybody's printing right now, family. I love to hear it. Love to see it. 19K close for Max. Shorting the ES there. 5 minis. Thanks, dude. I found that playlist. Let's go, Abby. Whatever you need, King. Was scary, bro. Damn. Pretty much top ticked. Love to hear it. Top ticks aren't scary then. You got that shit. That's just... I don't even know. Years of experience playing out for you, finding the reversal parts. What's your bias? Malik, I'm looking for the downside here. We rejected the previous day high. Longs defended the 26,000 whole number overnight, pushed back in. Sellers defended the previous day high on the New York session. We're getting below the VWAP now. Had another re-entered short attempt at the VWAP, and I'm targeting maybe the 26,000 whole number, breaking below over previous day low and touching in a previous this opening week gap here. So a little bit of downside that we're targeting, but we'll see what happens. Could really dump to the 6,800s. I hope it does. I want to see a 100K trade. It's coming. That'd be wild. The new episode is funny as fuck. I haven't seen it yet, King. What are they talking about? 32.7K on the day. I'm going to withdraw everything and start a personal live. Absolutely W's. $30,000 a day. You just made people's salary today, King. Enjoy that. I'm back, twin. Themselves were so nice at 9:30 at Dow. Had to lock in. No worries, work. I'm glad you fucking did, baby. Way to get paid. Let's go. Work. Making money on the Dow this morning like it's his job or something. Come on, baby. I'm in at 92, shorting at the low. You're shorting at the 92s, huh? A little scary, but I don't mind it, Jared. I think we have some sell side. Oh, you're in at 92, stopping at the lows, and you're looking for the upside. I got you. Well, then that's honestly a decent little attempt. Risky, but I like it. I like the risk management there. If it works, it's going to work. If it doesn't, it's not going to. You'll know what happens quickly. Later, Max. Great trading. Hit the weights. See y'all tomorrow, Max. You have a good one, King. Appreciate you for being here, sharing your insights with everybody. Man, fuck Patrick, we got Max and Ty. Absolutely. See, yeah, you need Max on stream to break down his strategy. Haha. Yeah, we're going to get that done, Sobs. Get that man to see what he sees. Get that man on to see what he sees. He told me it's Bollinger Bands, so it's going to be cool to show you guys because it's just something completely different than what I know. So it'd be really nice to see an analysis on that. Peace, Max. Congrats. Exact. Absolutely, newbie. I love it, y'all. Always showing support. Always showing our family members some love, and that's how it should be. Don't spread hate, FaZe. You will be muted. Pat, he wasn't talking to you. He's talking about Patrick fucking Wheelan. Not you, Pat. But I like it. Way to defend. Way to defend yourself. But now he's talking about Pat Wheelan, not you. Full port when Max says buy or sell, can't go wrong. Hey, someone's got to lose here. Room full of winners. Jared. Hey, King. Head up. Just a day. Just another part of the process, bub. Just another part of the process. Looks like you just barely got swept out, too. No, when I Patrick, I meant the other guy. I know what you meant, Pablo. I don't think Pat knew, but I know what you meant. You talking about that PW guy. Talking about that guy, PW. NASDAQ getting below the 26,100 whole number here. Still finding some pressure. Really, sellers have just been in control all morning here, family. See what happens. Can we get some fucking volume here? Jesus, as soon as I get in a trade, everyone goes to lunch. Yeah, we have slowed up a lot, Sobs, but I still have a lot of confidence in the direction, King. Just got to be patient now. This is the hard part. This is the part about trading where we get to get better, more disciplined, more patient, feel the emotion, the turn of wanting it to deliver, but just got to be patient here. Newbie, are you still looking at the 40-30s here for an entry on gold possibly? Looking like we might get an opportunity for you there. I believe that everyone's strategy is good. What makes them best is their own special touch in their psychology, discipline, and consistency. That is the best thing I have read from you right there, Abby. 100% King. Every single strategy trading will and can work if you can just control the mental. Because that's the only thing that's going to get you in and out of trades. The only thing that's going to stop you from holding winners is the only thing that is going to make you find some success is this thing right in here. Keep working on that. You guys will be successful, no doubt about it. When I say Pat, I mean you, but sorry for the confusion. You good, Pobby. You good. I broke even on gold longs, then caught short at the 40.38s. I broke even on gold longs. Pulling into newbie's price here. Might give her a fill. Broke even on the longs. Caught a short at the 38s. Nice little flip around there too, Bruce. I mean, hey, dude, that's disciplined trading. You got out. And then you got the reversal. Here we go, Sobs. Can we deliver through this bottom for this 80s for the guy? Show us something so we can take this daughter to lunch, please. Sell through here. Big blacks, no wicks. I want to see us start targeting these. I want to see us break through the 50s. Start finding some selling here. Gold still finding some selling now. 3 big black candles right in a row, getting below the 28s now into the 27s. It's really taking me to lunch, but she'll have a no. Yeah, you got to go to lunch though. Just get out in the town. But yeah, she'll have a nice little glass of milk or a bottle of milk, which she won't complain about at all. Here we go, Sobs. Getting through that bottom now. Let's keep finding some deep selling here. Big blacks, no wicks. Have only found selling since the opening print candle, essentially. Getting into the 70s now. Let's see these break. Let's see these break. Up 700 in the funded. Might be done for the day. Hey, nothing wrong with that at all, Bruce. Way to lock it in if you are, King. So start to the week. You know, don't got to go crazy. Keep that momentum rolling. And the week, start the week on a good note is never a bad thing. I see more buys for gold. We sweep Friday low and now above the 50% of the candle. Did we hold that zone or move more up? You're not the only one, King. Newbie wants to find some longs in gold as well. A lot of people are. So maybe we could hold this price, see what happens. We'll see what happens. Jared, sorry to hear it, King. It's a tough long there. Like I said, I think we're targeting possibly these 26,000s just because of this opening week gap and the overnight low here. Into the 50s now, baby. Come on, Sobs. Print. You too, Danny. Are you still in this too, Danny? Look at the direction. Oh, baby. This is trading. I love it too much. This has just been very clean price delivery for us today. Rejecting this overnight high, this previous day high to a fucking beauty. Would have been a little bit more better if we actually gave us our fill, I guess. Got a nice, beautiful rejection at this previous day high. Sold into the VWAP, compressed below the VWAP, nice pullback into the bottom of the 15-minute range, and then a clean delivery from there. So overall, family, this is very nice trading. You see this even, and then this is something I want to point out for you guys, right? This has been stellar, to be honest, with our strategy. Defending the high here, pulling back, defending the bottom of the 15-minute range here, and yet I still didn't even take any trades. Right? So it's all about, like, even when you have great analysis, you got to still be taking trades. You got to be willing to defend your lines. I love it. Yes, let's go, Danny. Print. Hold. YM gap closed from last week. Topstep X traded through my price and did not fail me. What the damn, newbie. Bullshit. That is bullshit, Queen. I'm sorry to hear it. Hopefully it corrects. Target at the 625s for me. We're about to fill right now, King. We're about to fill right now. I think you could look for the 6,000. I think, well, actually take the 25s. Take the 25s. It's a great safe exit. Just give me one quick blinker to the TP. Come on. Get down there for the guy. One big, thick black, no wicks. Break even and hold. Do not get out early. Let's go, Pat. Absolutely. Break even and patience, baby. This thing is delivering right now. No reason to panic. We should easily see at least the overnight low break at 17s. Maybe they saved me, LOL. That might have been it too, newbie. They might have said, you know, I got you, Queen. You don't want this one. This one's not for you. Don't worry. We're going to hold you on this one. So maybe they got you. I'm out now. Trailed a little tight. Hey, 550 is a huge win, Danny. No problem, Queen. Good entry to re-back in on the 20s there. Great entry to get back in on the 20s there. Selling in now to the previous day low or the overnight low at the 25s. I think this has a clean delivery, at least to the overnight low at the 17s. Maybe we close this gap, hit the 26,000 whole number. Woo! Pretty. This is what we like. Nice clean levels. It's respecting. Nice delivery. One-sided. This is getting pretty deep in the range, guys, so just keep an eye on that. I would have FOMO by now. Never. Never, Fabi. Pablo, that is how we lose. We cannot have FOMO. The market has 1,000 opportunities every day, maybe more. Caught total 100 points on that short and help partial for the final TP. Now just waiting for the giveaway. Hey, great trading, Matrix. Let's go, baby. Caught a total of 100 points is so dope. Beautiful little move. We're looking to see maybe get into these 18s. Overnight previous day low. I take short from the 225, but system tell me the 50-point TP, so follow the system. That's it, Amin. If you want more, maybe re-enter. But if your strategy told you to get out at the 50, you take the 50 and celebrate. You have been super patient today, Ty. I know, I really have been. Just chilling. Just more helping you guys find some nice levels. Not really trying to poke at it too much, even though, like I said, this is beautiful trading. We had the respect of this previous day high that I did not get filled on. And look at this. We were even front running it. I really liked it to get a fill there. And then once that happened, we got a nice pullback into the VWAP, the defending the 15-minute range. Those are the two trades that we had today, family, so far. And now we're trading into this low here. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. See y'all. 1 micro a day, all you need. That's it, baby. Good trading, Sobs. Agree, Danny. Great discipline, Ty. This will get these accounts passed. Maybe not too, Pat, right? At the same time, we got to be willing to take trades. I wasn't hesitant. I wasn't afraid of trades today, so nothing to worry about there. But I still got to be willing to take trades. Got to be willing to put some risk on the table at the end of the day. We are risk managers. We gamble at the end of the day. We risk money to make money. Into the 25s. Here we go with the selling. Can we break through this overnight low at the 17s? That would be pretty much full delivery. I mean, we could see the 26,000 whole numbers, but I mostly wanted to just see this previous day, this overnight low break. And it's teasing it right now. Zero stress made someone daily pay in 15 minutes. With zero stress, you made someone's whole pay. W mindset right there, Sobs. Way to lock in and not be greedy, King. If I got FOMO, I should really just go in with one MNQ, one contract to get the edge off, LOL. That's actually a really good advice. That's a great option, Bobby. If you truly cannot help it, I think it's pretty beneficial to sit in that pain and just kind of get better at feeling the FOMO. You know what I mean? Get better at feeling the need to get in. But if you also just have to scratch that itch, put a micro in. Get a little touch. See how it goes. Just get a little touch of Rooney, you know? A little touch of Rooney and biscuits there. Trading into this overnight low. Just defending it now. I think the sellers are still in control. But we'll see what happens here. Yo, how many likes are we at, family? If you have not yet hit that thumbs up, let's get as many as we can. I was hoping for 40 that we were looking for last Friday. But since it's Monday, I would be happy with if we can get 30. Get 30 likes. We're going to roll over, get those giveaways going. 21. We need 9 of you beautiful people to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not. And we're going to go ahead and move to the giveaway after we hit that. Overnight low officially smacked at the 17s. Price delivered all the way down there. Very clean. Glad y'all could catch that move today. Buyers not hold here equals more selling. I like that, Amin. Potentially could still target in the previous day low. Definitely an opportunity. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I do that too. When the FOMO hits, I go in with 1 micro. It's easy to manage too. I like that. It's honestly really good decision making. If you just need to see the price moving, just get in. Watch it. We got over 40 after the stream ended. Yeah, we did. They kept showing up in love and showing the likes. It's so hard probably because I see the people making 10K or more per day and I'm like, I can do that, LOL. See, but that's the thing, Bobby. Instead of like FOMO, that should be inspiration and it should be like, damn, hell yeah. If I just keep getting a little bit better at these levels, work on my mindset like my issues, like for you, sounds like my man has struggled with greed a little bit and FOMO, which again, very normal. We all do, Bobby, but work on those, King. Show up with that mindset, and then you genuinely have pure proof every single day that you can make 10K. You make 10K any day as long as you can just work on those couple things. And they're coming for you, King. I feel it. I feel it. They're coming for you, King. Drop the likes, team. Ty is giving away accounts today. Let's go, baby. Little giveaway because y'all are the best. Got the family up to 1,000 subs, and we're just growing, growing, and growing. NASDAQ defending this overnight low. Still trying to touch into that opening week gap. 26,000 whole number. Bitcoin down. Yeah, I mean, crypto's been getting hit with it right now. Pretty crazy. My short dropped 10 points after my TP, but I'm just going to lock myself out at 700 before I blow the funded. I love that discipline, Bruce. Way to lock it in, King. Way to make some money today, baby. It's all about that. Yeah, it's greed, honestly. No worries, Bobby. Something to work on right there. You work on that, you're going to be rich, kid. Small thing to work on. Just work on that mindset. Be happy with whatever happens, and just get better at your entries. Get better at taking good trades, and the money follows. Comparison is a thief of joy, phase. With growth in copy trading, those 10K days are coming quick. Absolutely, baby. W's, lock that account. Absolutely, Matrix. Take that win, Bruce. Lock it in. Lock it in, twin. Today's vibe is very positive, even though I haven't make 0 penny today, but that piece of self-control, no FOMO, no regret on is so much heavier. Let's go, Abby. Peaceful trading, King. Don't need to be, no expectations. Even if you're not seeing anything special, don't need to force any trades. Don't need to be stressed out. And you're just sitting here vibing, learning. I love it, Abby. Good, congrats, King. Think I'll get myself some steak. Subs, get yourself some steak, King. More than deserved. Eat like a king. The mindset I am working on is, instead of looking at what I still need, I protect what I have. So wait for the setup to come to me, which is struggle, but practice it every day. I love that, Danny. I think I could probably use that a little bit too. You guys see me kind of be a victim where I'm like, oh, well, I need 1,700 to pass these accounts, and then I'll usually, sometimes I take bad, I don't try to force trade. I think it's one of my, I don't force trades typically. Of course, we all tilt and have our problems, but I think probably my biggest issue is it used to be holding winners. I think I do that well now. And I like my analysis. I like my patience. I think the biggest thing that I could continue to work on right now is just probably trying to work on adding in still. Like, I still think when I'm adding into positions, I'm taking away my initial trade, like my initial analysis, and then I'll adjust my levels to like new profits, new break evens, and everything. And I usually get stopped out or something weird happens in there. So some more things to work on in that moment. Thank you, King. Gonna lock this payout for real. Let's go, Bruce. Absolutely. It's yours, brother. What are you looking for an entry, Ty? TLR, we were actually looking for this overnight. I can just take this order off. We were looking for a defense of this overnight high, this previous day high, and then we were looking for a defense at this pullback into the bottom 50-minute range. Both were pretty clean. We missed them both, though, and now we're just watching. Maybe a pullback into this 26,000 whole number. We could start finding some buyers, but for the most part, TLR, I'm not really too interested in this. Most of the delivery that we wanted to see this morning has already been executed. 220 on the day. Sounds like a steak to me, Sobs. Let's go, baby. I'm choking on air over here. I have a problem with seeing my money go down and still holding like God. Will this change the direction? Laugh my ass off. That's very normal too. We all hate that feeling of losing, but something to work on. The market's gonna take what the market wants to take. Bought this account from -1,000 back to plus 2K profit and ready for a payout. Just hitting base hits. Absolutely sexy, Matrix. I love it, dude. I mean, hey, you're in drawdown. The fears are starting to hit, you know, the hesitation, all the things, and then to pull that back, you're ready for a payout, King. It's really good trading. Am I the only one that doesn't like steak? I'm more of a chicken type guy. Not the only one, Pobby. I got a really good friend that doesn't like steak too, but me personally, I love it. I love it. Give me that. Give me all that. I could eat steak every day. Steak, red meat, battle, just give me it. It's hard because the feeling of losing, chicken's great too though, by the way, of losing stinks, and I want to control that better. Losing is part of the game. Absolutely, Danny. I think that's actually probably one of my superpowers, depending on. But when I take a loss, usually I'm pretty okay with it. I'm all right, whatever, that sucks. Maybe though, it's just because I'm not super tied to the money. So maybe if it was a personal account, I'd probably be a little bit more tight and upset. But I don't know. I think I take it back. I think definitely. I think if I was trading on real money, I will have to relearn how to handle losses for sure. Absolutely. I wouldn't say you force trades, Ty, but you're like me. You like to see whether your confluences are getting better overall. Because if you feel like you're right even after a loss, you know you had a reason. So who cares? Yep. I agree, Bruce. I do like to see that. I would agree with that. The only meaning a loss is the one you gave it to, Danny. Let's go, Pat. Very true. Gotta have thick skin. It's the easiest way to detach. Look at this rip-off overnight lows. Yeah, that's a wild little bounce. Great exit. We sweep through the overnight low and then just have bing, 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 bing. Buyers are like, hey, I needed that price. Now I'm excited. Also, buyers finding some support at the VWAP on gold as well. What's your thoughts on ICT, Daiquiri? I think it is very useful for people that need something to be consistent with. I think it helps people kind of zoom out and stop feeling so much emotions around trading. I think it's just, like I said about trading, I think every strategy works. It's just about how you manage your mental. And I think for some people that find success with ICT, it's not because of the strategy, because again, every strategy works. But I think with those certain people, it helps with their psychology, which then in turn translates to profits, if that makes sense. It's kind of my thoughts on that, Daiquiri. Started my first 150K combine and just hit my 4.K profit target on the day. Only evil. Let's go, King. I think my first time seeing, no, not the first time seeing your net name. So welcome in again, King. Congratulations. Halfway to home, Bubba. Pass those tomorrow. I love it. That's true, Pat. My downfall is usually want to get the payout as soon as possible, and that's where I screw up. Me too, Danny. I've definitely blown many accounts trying to be quick. Quick is not going to be the way to find success. Chicken will never go wrong, but steak at Mexican restaurants is like a party in your mouth. Let's go, burrito. Oh, steak burrito. Oh, ooh, a little steak burrito. Or a smoked beef burrito. Are you kidding me? Like a brisket or, oh my God, I got to stop talking about food. It's great. You can see that because you can get attachment to the money or rush. That's when my mistakes are made. Exactly. That is when the mistakes are made, no doubt about it. Danny's a queen. For real, she's here every day giving good advice. God bless. Absolutely. We love our queen here. Terp Derp, long from the 26s, 026s. Great entry off this pullback at the bottom here, King. I love it, Jay. Put your break even on. What are you looking for? Maybe the VWAP? I think I'd be targeting probably like the 116s. I think it's a safe exit. Maybe the VWAP. I think the safest for me would be around these 116s, though. But you do you, Jay. Good trading. It's weird, like I like meat, pause, but not steak. Cheers, brother. Yes, sir, Evo. Congrats, King. Now I need to stick to that device better. But thanks, King. All the blessings your way, too. Let's go. Order filled. Quick 63 points. I got out at 89s. Terp. Let's go. Trading, Jay. The buyers step in. Do we see more buyers? Maybe. We did get a nice selling from the 265 into the 250 point sell off this morning. So could find a little reaction. Maybe pull back into the VWAP. For the most part, though, sellers are in control. So do with that as y'all will. All right, family. I think it's time. I don't think I'm going to take any more trades today. So we're going to go ahead and give our giveaways out. Do our giveaways out. How should we do it, y'all? How should we do it? Shiro. What's up, King? I'm trying to decide what we should do for the... Like, how many people should I pick and what should their prize be? Because I want to spread it across y'all, right? What's the average cost of an account right now? Give away 250Ks. 250Ks? Okay. Let's go. Paul, welcome in, King. Pick all of us. I would love to. I would love to. 10 people for 50Ks. Daiquiri, crazy. Depends on which account you want to give away. I know. My Fund of Futures is a 50K core, $59 right now. Interesting. Take profit is $102, I think, for a 50K. I'm not in there, Shiro. I'll add you in, King. We got to redo some of this list right now anyways. If I win, it's going to go to someone who needs it. Hey, Pat. WU, King. I'm going to add you in there, Shiro. I got to add Matrix in here, too. Bum, 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 bum. Farouk, you're not in here? No way. Bruce, did I add you in here? Better have added Bruce. No, Bruce isn't in here. Add me, fam. Only Evol. Got you, King. We got Bruce now. Evil. Let's go. Good luck, boys. Paul, are you in here? All right, so we're gonna do 2 accounts for the TPTs. So we'll do 2 TPT accounts, 350Ks or one for 150. $52 for a $52 for a 50K combine. Is that with an activation though? Because if it's $50, we'll do 3. If it's $50, we'll do 4 giveaways, and if it's 100, we'll do 2. How about that, family? If it's $50 without activation for 52, y'all said for MFF, then we'll do 4 of those. And if it's $100 with TPT, we'll do 2 of those. Which one do y'all want? Should we do 4 people for 50, or should we do 2 for 100? Let me know. Let me know. Also, I want to make sure everyone's actually in here. All of these peeps have to get it. Who's Sunny? $450Ks. So send $50 to 4 different peeps. Y'all happy with that? And I'll do like 55 so that y'all can actually have the... All right, I think we're ready. Add me, Paul. You're not in there? No way. Paul! How can I enter? KV, you're already in, King. You just had to be a part of the family. Just had to be a part of the family, showing love. Part of the process to be 1,000 subs. Bro, I have never seen some of these accounts. I know, Bobby. That's the thing. Most of the people in here I've seen pretty consistently. Miguel and Sonny, I don't. But Miguel's right here. He's always been in here. Just doesn't chat all the time. I think this is pretty good, family. No, don't spin yet. Do I have Sob in here? You're joking me. No way I don't have the Sobs. What? Sub. You're in there now, King. You're in there now, King. Newbie too. Look at me. Newbie. All right. I want the real family members in here that are always in here to actually have a chance at winning. Not just not that I don't love our new followers too, but the ones that have been showing love from day one, you know what I'm saying? If I win, I'll pay it forward. If you win, it's yours, King. I know you're always here, Paul. I ain't no bot, bruh. May, sorry I didn't see your name either, King. Welcome in, bro. Welcome in. For real, not the bots. All right, family, I'm spinning it. We got 33 entrants, which I think is pretty applicable because there's 31 people in here, and we're always averaging about 30 homies. So This is a majority of our family members right here. I appreciate every single person that's shown some love to get even to this spot. Just leave it out. I just found it funny. No, newbie, I'm sorry, queen. Absolutely not. It's just hard to update. Like every time, I'm just trying. I get so many lists on the name. I got to update it. But no, you're absolutely one of our queens in here. No doubt about it. But seriously, guys, I appreciate every single one of y'all. We're even doing this because the love and just every single day, y'all show up with just the best fucking vibes. It means the most. We're building a community here that's genuinely already changing my life. I just love having you guys bounce off ideas off of, get better in this trading thing together. So let's go. 4 lucky winners, 55 bucks. Let's see what we can do here. Number 1 winner. Let's go. I added you, Matrix. You're in here, King. You're right here, bub. And the winner, Amin. Amin is lucky number 1. I was in Rostrum. You're in there, King. If I better win if I'm not gonna riot. Let's go, Pop B. Amin. Yo, message me on Instagram, King. Message me on Instagram, King. LOL, what a luck. Let's go. You're a lucky king. You're a lucky king. All right, I'm removing your name. Not out of love, though, because you can't win twice. And our lucky winner number 2. Come on, baby. Show us the money. Congrats, Amy. That's badass. Bruce. User. That's user right there. Let's go. Another winner. Yo, message me on Insta, Bruce. Let's go, baby. No way. That's you, King. That's the Batman right there. Save our city, sir. Let's go. Message me on Instagram, King. All right, family. 2 more lucky winners receiving a MFF account or Topstep fee. Whatever you guys want to use the money on, really. Whatever it is, even if it's groceries, I don't care. Just giving back to y'all. And 3rd winner. Come on, show me the money. I love that we can do this, y'all, because you guys deserve it. Dude, I have seen him more than once. He might not be in here today, though. If he's not, we'll have to respin. We'll see. Yo, dude, are you in here, King? He is in here pretty frequently. I've seen him more than once. We'll give him a couple seconds, see if he can respond. See if he can respond. See if he can take it. If not, we're going to respin for his entry. Give it away to 2 more that are actually here showing love. All right. I'm going to give another 10 seconds. Just want to give you your chance in case you're here, dude. Just in case you're here, brother. I want to give you the chance to grab your flowers. Otherwise, we're going to have to give it back to the community. I'm dude, LOL. Yeah, Poppy. All right. We're gonna close this one. We're moving him. Spinning for 2 more. Wait, Tyler, what's your Insta? Brutes, it's my same as my YouTube, Tyler Cam. All right. Lucky winner number 3. Sorry, dude, for missing your chance there, King. Oh my God. Matrix. That was Shiro. I'm not gonna lie, you just got so lucky, Shiro. Or unlucky, but Matrix. King, you won, Bubba. Let's go. So we got Bruce, we got Matrix, and we've got Amin. Let's fucking go. Yo, message me on Instagram, Matrix. Let's go, King. Good plays. Hey, thank you, King, for always being here. Thank you for always being a part of this community. More than deserved, bud. All right, we're removing your name, bud. One more lucky winner. We picked our 3 today. Let's find our final winner for our 1,000 subs. Our family's growing. I appreciate you guys so much. It just means a lot to even be able to do this with you guys. Our community, nothing beats it. Best on YouTube. If you haven't yet, hit the like button, and let's get our final winner for our giveaway. Come on, baby. Who we got? Show the love. Show the love. Corey SB. Is he in here today? Is he in here today? He is in here frequently, but I don't think I've seen him today. Corey, are you here so you can claim your flowers? Otherwise, we got to share the love, King, if you're not. Oh, I feel bad because I know Corey's going to watch back and be like, damn. Come on. Giving him the 10 seconds. Corey, you here, King? Appreciate everybody that's showing love to the winners, too. Even if y'all haven't won, y'all are just fucking amazing. It's the reason that you guys are kings and queens. We celebrate other people's successes here. We don't have any other envy or anything else. My middle name is Corey. Let's go, Daiquiri. All right, y'all. This is Corey SB. So if he isn't here, I'm going to have to spin it again, King. Sorry, Corey. I know you're going to watch this in the replay, but got to give it to the flowers. Got to give it to the people that are here showing love. Final attempt, baby! Come on! That's a newbie. She said it and she got it. Let's fucking go. Our first queen winner. That's our winners. We have Amine. We have Matrix. We got Newbie. And we got Bruce. Let's fucking go. So deserved. So deserved, Newbie. All of y'all. Amine, Matrix. I wish everybody could win. You guys all deserve it. So close to my name, LOL. I know. I wish you could win too, Danny. I wish everybody could win. We're going to keep these lists up. We're going to keep doing these as we grow. We're only going to keep giving back to y'all. Newbie, Amine, Matrix, Bruce. Congratulations, you guys. Let's fucking go. Message me on Instagram, and I'm going to get y'all your money. I'm going to get y'all your monies. I appreciate you guys so fucking much. If you haven't yet, hit the like button. Thanks, but give it to someone else. Newbie. You're a queen. Are you sure? Are you sure? What a queen right there. If she wants me to give this back to y'all. Yep. She is. Everybody say W, Newbie. What a queen. Giving it back to the community. Another lucky winner gets a chance at this. Let's go, Newbie. Giving her account giveaway to another spot winner. Give it to our other queen. I honestly think that is a good play. Saucy. Matrix said the same, Ty. What did Matrix say? I like to give mine to someone else as well. Matrix 2. Damn. This is king and queen energy. Will do then, Matrix. What'd you think, Sauce? Rip it again. So there's 3. Okay, so we have 3 accounts to still give away. Sauce doesn't want it. Sauce doesn't want it. Newbie and Matrix all giving it back. Y'all are unreal. I'll give mine away as well. What are we doing? Y'all don't want it? Y'all don't want it? At this rate, my grandma's gonna give an account. Y'all won. Y'all won fair and square. All 4 of y'all like give it away. Farouk, you gotta go, King. If you win, I'm sorry. Rip the account and I'll take a payout. I'll rip a few giveaways. Rip the account, and if I take a payout, I'll rip a few giveaways. All right, so Sauce is going to take one. Hell yeah. So I'm going to give Sauce one. So there's 3 left to give away. I am very appreciative, but I just want someone else to have it. That's so queen of you, Newbie. Bruce, you won fair and square, King. Keep yours. I want Danny to get it. How about this, y'all? All right, yeah. So Bruce is keeping his and Saucy. So we have 2 more to give away. See, I can't like pick winners because it's showing favoritism. Even though I love that y'all are already here, I want new members to get it. All right, 2 more. Bruce, Sauce. Let's see who else. Evil, homie was just in here. Just smashes at 150K. I love it, Matrix. Thanks for giving it back to the community, King. Keep spinning. Spin to win. Come on, baby. I'll take the account in honor of newbie. Probably I would, King, but we can't show favoritism. I got to let the wheel decide. Love y'all for real. Good luck, everyone. Appreciate you, Bruce. Congrats on the win, King. W for trying to give it back, but you got to take that 50 bucks. It's yours. Saucy, I'll message you on private, LOL. Let's go. Have a good day at work, user. Let's go, Danny. Way to show love, queen. That's why you're one of our queens. Evol, you here still, King? This is the hardest giveaway I've ever had. Usually I'll just take it. I love it. I actually love it. This is the generosity that we have here. Y'all just want to see everybody win, just like me. We just want to give it as much as we could away. Evol, tell me you're not. You tell me you're here. Unlucky. Unlucky if you don't. No way he left. At this point, we're going to go down the line. Another one left. So we have Amin to give away still. Actually, no, we only have one more, family. Because Amin didn't give his back. So we have Amin's that we gave. Bruce, because he's going to keep his. And then Sauce. So we have one more to give away now, family. Final one for the 10th final. All right, family. Let's see. See if this one is a successful one. Final one. We have Amin, Sauce, and Bruce right now. And William. That was very close. Almost Shiro. Is William in here? I know I've seen you a couple times today alone. I see you all the time as well. Is he going to be here to claim his bag? Please, sir. Come claim your monies. I actually genuinely appreciate you guys so much, though. Well, I'm here, LOL. Shiro, there's no way. There is just no way. William, don't make me spin this wheel again. Please, sir. Please, sir. Shiro, you're one tick away. You just got bottom tick, Shiro. He's not here. He's on lunch break. Let it ride. Holy shit. This is a move. I have a brother named William. Who knew it would be so hard to give away 50K accounts? Holy shit. All right. Final attempt. Here we go. I know Pobby's here. Pobby! Only a matter of time, King. You made it, baby. Pat, you should definitely keep it, Sauce. It's for you. Let's go, Pobby. That's all you, Bubba. Hey, W Newbie, W Matrix for putting that back in the pool, giving it back to the people. Y'all are for really the GOATs. #1 family members, kings, queens, pure royalty. Giving it back. Thank you so fucking much, you guys. Just for showing love every day, showing up to the stream, being in the comment section, throwing out vibes, giving other people advice when we're all in our, we're all struggling. You guys pick each other up. What we're building right here, is fucking, oh my God. It touches me every day. So thank you so much for being a part of it. You guys are the foundation to what we're doing here. Abby, goodbye, chat. Have a good one. All right, family. I'm going to call it here. All right, family. I appreciate y'all. Like the video if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you're not. We'll be back tomorrow. Congratulations to Amy, Saucy, Pobby, and wait, who's on the winner? I'm confused because we had like 40 winners. Oh, Bruce. Thank you. There he is. Hell yeah. All right, family. Have a good rest of your day. Great start to the week. Let's keep this vibes rolling for tomorrow. And, yeah, drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we do it again in the morning. Take it easy, Kings. Peace.